Hi guys, today we will talk about very important tool for making any poster, logo or book cover. I am talking about type tool in Adobe Illustrator. Without wasting any time, let's starting. We have three tools for typing in Adobe Illustrator. Type tool, type on a path tool, vertical type tool, and we will talk about all of them now. The first one, type tool. This is the main tool for typing, and if I select the type tool, this cursor will appear, and I should draw a shape or a space to write in it, like this. Now I have some settings to customize the types. These settings are transform, appearance, character, and paragraph. The first one, transform, is used to change the position of type. I have here X and Y to change the position horizontally or vertically. If I change the X to 500, it will move horizontally. Again with the Y axis, it will move vertically. And here I have the reference point to start moving from it. I can start moving from the center or from the borders. Also I have W and H for the width or the height of the space I will write on it. I can increase the width and the height like this. The last thing here is rotation and flip. I can rotate the text from 0 degree to 330 degree, like 30, 60, 90, 180. And the flip, I have flip along horizontal and flip from vertical. The second one, appearance, we almost talked about it in the shape tool. First tool, fill for the color of the text. Second tool, stroke for the color of the border. And the stroke width. And the last thing, opacity. The third one, character, I have font menu. I have here many fonts, and I can click on this button to show the similar fonts for this font, or on this star to add this font to the favorite menu to find it easy. The second one, the font style, like a regular, bold, italic, but not all fonts have this menu. And I have font size and the space between the lines. I can increase or decrease it. And here the space between two letters. I can select the two letters and increase the space between them like this. And here's the space between the line like this. The fourth one, paragraph menu. This menu is used more for a big paragraph like this. I have here 7 options. The first one, align left to right from left. Second one, align center to right in the center. The third one, align right to right from the right. And justify with last line align left to justify all type and make the last line only in the left. And justify with last line align to center to justify all type and make the last line only in the center, and justify with last line aligned to the right, and the last thing justify all lines. The last options create outlines. To change the letters like a shape, I can choose the direct selection tool and choose only one point and customize it like a shape. Like this. And the second option, arrange. If I have many layers like this shape, I click on bring to front to make a letter up this layer, or bring forward for only this layer, bring send back to this layer, or send back to back all layers. The second tool for typing is type on a path. This tool is used for typing on a shape or on a path like this. I can make an ellipse and choose typing on a path and type on the border of the path. Or I can choose the curvature tool and make a path like this and type on it. And all option here is the same with the type tool. The last tool for typing is vertical type tool. From here name, this tool is used to type vertically like this. And again all the settings here is repeated. Now I will make this text as an example of using type tool.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.